Hello, my name is Radhika B.Sc. I am studying in B.Sc II from Adarsh College, Bengal. Today I am going to represent Cauchy's test. The integration, the integration on f from a to infinity converges at infinity if and only if every epsilon is greater than 0. There correspond a positive number x0 such that mode of integration from x1 to x2 on f dx is less than epsilon for all x1 comma x2 greater than x0. That is, it implies that integration from x1 to x2 on f dx tends to 0 as x1 comma x2 tends to infinity. Proof: the improper integration from a to infinity on f exists if limit extends to infinity on integration a to x on f exists finitely. Let function, that is f of x, is equals to integration from a to x on f, a function of x. According to Cauchy's criteria for finite limit, f of x tends to finite limit as x tends to infinity if and only if for every epsilon is greater than 0. There corresponds x0 such that for all x1, x2 greater than x0. This gives us mod of f of x1 minus f of x2 is less than epsilon. That is mod of integration from a to x1 on f minus integration a to x2 on f is less than epsilon. That is mod of integration x1 to x2 on f is less than epsilon for all x1 x2 greater